looking at the conceptual framing plan here, I can see that I forgot that there's a second floor over the garage area here, but that's all right. I'm going to still frame from front, what I call front to back. This would be considered, in my opinion, side to side. This is front to back. So I'm simply going to go over now to the floor plan. And I want to make sure that I go up to my rim joist all the way around. So my structure, beam system, and sketch the beam system. And I'll draw, I know it has to go right up to the edge of the rim joist. So I know that that's good. I know the points that I'm picking right now are good because that's where the rim joist is. I'll come all the way around to here and then up to here, always going to the rim joist. Come all the way across to the rim joist, all the way back to here. And now this is where I'm looking at the wall below, knowing that there's 5/8 inches of thickness of gypsum board there. So I'm going to draw a line, but I'm going to make it 5/8 of an inch offset. I don't want my floor system to go over my gypsum board. I want it to go over my actual stud wall that's there. So I can bring this all the way across anywhere, because I know I have to clean that up now. Now clean it up. All right, so let's take a look at it. I've got my floor joist going. Let's take a look at which direction. It's supposed to be front to back. And fortunately, the first line I drew this line, so that's the direction of the floor joist. But if I wanted to change the beam direction, I would simply click on this icon up here and then click on this line, and now look where my double lines are. So now my floor joist would be going side to side, but I actually want them to be going front to back. So there's my double lines, and I have my floor joists in there. They are correctly located from an elevation. They are correctly spaced at 16 inches each. And if I hover over that, I can see what I have there is 2x12s. So that looks good to me. I'm going to say okay to that. And it just put my floor joist in all the way across. Did it for me automatically. So now it's slightly different from my view here because I forgot that I had a second floor up there. So I needed to actually extend that over what I didn't do that. So now I got my floor joist in another location here. The next tutorial will show how to put these floor joists in, and then finally we'll put this structural system in, which is my floor joist. And we're done putting in the second floor framing.